I asked ChatGPT to write a book, and this 105-page book is what they came up with. Nothing was written by me. All of this was written by ChatGPT for me. Then I put this book on Amazon Kindle, and now my book is out there for everyone to read. I will get paid when someone buys it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to make your own book, which you can then sell on Amazon and make some passive income. Let's start. First, you have to choose which category you want to write for. You can look it up on Google or just ask ChatGPT best-selling book categories. As you can see, you have a lot of options. I chose books about how to help yourself. You can make any choice you want, then you have to decide what you want to write about. Try to think of something new or find out what people want to read. To make things easy, I decided to write a book with reviews of the top 100 self-help books. The next step is to make a table of contents or index for your book. I used a technique called web scraping to get the title of top 100 self-help books. Here are the items. You should make a list about subtopics you want to include in your book. Now just follow a simple process. Simply ask the ChatGPT to write some content regarding each topic or subtopic. In my instance, I have 100 book lists. So I'll request that ChatGPT produce a summary or review of it. Simply copy the title from this page and paste it into the prompts. After typing "write summary," press enter. This book's summary or review will now be generated by ChatGPT. Copy and paste the response into Google Docs. Do the same thing with book number 2, and then do the same procedure for the rest of the books.
Two hours later.
This copy and paste work is finally done, and here is our 100-page book. Each page contains a brief review on one book. Now give it a quick read and fix any mistakes you find. Give the book a title and an index, and it's now ready. Take a look. A whole book, and all I did was write the title on the first page. Everything else is generated by ChatGPT. It's finally time to publish our book. Simply go to the Amazon Kindle publication and then sign up or log in. You have to fill out some information. I'm going straight to the point to save time. Here we have to upload our book in doc format and then a cover photo of our book. Fill out some information and then click publish to get your book out there. Your book will be out and for sale on Amazon in less than 3 days. If someone buys your book, you will get paid every time. I made this video to show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to write a book and sell it on Amazon to make money. Don't buy this book because I only made it to show you what I could do. Try to think of ideas or topics for your book that are unique. If you do some research, you'll find out some amazing things. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.